example 1 and 2 and 3 and I'm gonna have 6 7 and 8. Let me see, I'm gonna find out the 8 over there. Okay, 8 right there. Okay. Okay, number 1, okay, she can type it 100 page for 60 okay, 60 minutes, all right, and 100 page for 40 minutes. So we can figure it out by average. This one is 5/3, this one is 5/2. Making sure average is total number divided by total hour or total time. So making sure she's gonna have a 200 page, not 100. Okay, so this one is, the first one is 5/3 hour and plus 5/2 hour. So 200 divided by 3/5 plus 5/2 is 48. Okay, making sure total divided by total hour. That's going to be average. Okay, next one is, okay, consecutive integer over 5. What is the largest integer? But thing is, asking is, you have to find out by in terms of s. S is the sum, right? So s is n plus n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. So that is, s is 5n plus 10. So this number is the largest one. They should be expressed by s. So we have to convert s by n. So from here, n is s minus 10 over 5. Then n simply plug in there. So n is n plus 4. So n is s minus 10 over 5 plus 4. That's going to be s plus 10 over 5. Okay? And number 3. Okay, this one is a ratio problem. One jar has 470 marbles. Red is 4/5, white. And the white marble is 3/4 of blue. So what is how many white in there? So simply we can put white is x marble. You're gonna put x marble, put x for the y is better, because the y is w is there, w is there. Also you can put you can, if it's a red marble, you can x. You have so many procedure you have to do it. You have to find the white and blue again. But if you replace the white by x, much simpler. So from here, red is 5/4x. Okay, and we're looking for the blue. White is 3/4 b. So we're looking for the blue. So we have to times 3/4 each side. Then blue is 4/3. Yes, 4/3 white. So blue is 4/3. You know, white is x marble, so we're gonna replace it by x. 4/3, you know, x. So total is 470, right? So you're gonna say white marble plus red plus blue is 470. So once you figure out this one, simplifying this one, then x is 150. So white is how many white in there? Okay, we're gonna figure out white is 4/3x, right? So 4/3 x is 150, then y is 200. Got it? Okay. Next one is, let me see this one. Sorry about that. Okay, number 6. Number 6 is Aaron and Josh has money, but Josh has x amount of money. Then Aaron has no. Josh has x. Then Aaron has Josh has 3 times more than Aaron. So we put Josh has Josh has x money. Then Aaron has 3x. Okay, then after $50, Aaron give $50 to Josh. Then it's gonna be 3 times. So Aaron give $50. So now Aaron has 3x times 50. And now Josh has x plus 50, right? And then Josh has 3 times more than Aaron. So we have to times 3 over there, then make a equal. To make a equal, you have to 3 times Aaron over there, then equal. Got it? Not 3 times over there. That's a fact. Yeah, Josh has 3 times. But to make a equal, you have 3 times for the Aaron, then make a equal. Got it? To make a equal, 3 times over there. So x is 25. Then question is how much they have a total. So total is 3x plus 4x, right? 3x plus x to 4x. So 4x is 4 times x is 25 right there, so $100. Okay, number 7, very interesting things, but you have to read it carefully. Once you read it, you exercise several times, you fully understand this kind of pattern of a problem. Okay, 12 years ago is 12 years ago. So now is 12 plus 1.5x. Okay, now the age. Ago, so you have to plus 12 is now the age, current age. But they say later on, half x later on gonna be a 2x, right? So now from half years later, so now is 12 plus 1/2 x plus half x years later on will be 2 times x. 2 times x, right? So we're gonna make a 2x right there. Then question is 3 years later on from now. How old? So make sure from now, that means you have to add it. So from this equation, that is 12x plus 12 plus x is 2x, right? X is 12. Okay. Now we're gonna adding together. So 12 plus half x now plus 3x years later on. So 3x later you have to adding, right? So x is 12 right there. So we're gonna plug in right there. 12 plus half times 12 plus 3 times 12 is 54 years old. Okay, interesting thing. This is time and ratio things. machine A has one job. I say we can say one job, 10 hour, right? So rate is one job over 10 hour. But machine B, same kind of one job, we don't know yet. So we have to find out. But given information is rate A, B together, A machine B together, it will take 2.5 hours for the one job. So time and rate and time is one job. This is the result. So rate of A and B is one job divided by this one, 2.5, will be 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is rate A and B working together. So we already know that rate of A is 1 over 10, right? From is 1 over 10. So this is together. So to find the rate B, 2 over 5 minus 1 over 10 is 310. Okay, that's rate B. So now we're going to use rate and time again. So rate is, B rate is 3 over 10. We don't know the time, so time is a question. And the one job, same kind of one job. Then time is, okay, 10 over 3 hours. That's what it is. Okay. Now I have a little time, so we're gonna have some vocabulary I'm trying to do. Okay. emaciate. emaci는 muscle에서 나온 거예요. e는 out. 그러니까 muscle이 없어진다 그래서 약해진다, 점점 약해진다 그런 뜻이에요. 띵해진다, 약해진다, 점점 바짝 마른다, 약해진다. emaciate. muscle에서 나온 겁니다. superimpose. 이거는 impose는 첨가한다는 뜻이죠. adding. 그래서 superimpose 또 한 번 첨가 안 되는 그런 강조예요. 이거는 differentiation이나 calculus 할 때 쓰는 거. 이게 super는 above impose. 다시 한번 adding 한다는 뜻이에요. engross. engross는 이 gross의 뜻은 우리가 gross total을 그러죠. 이게 총 합계를 얘기해요. 그때 gross total, engross 그러면 그거하고 상관없이 좀 나쁜 거를 갖다 engross라고 해요. engross remark. 예, 나쁘게 얘기하는 거. 하여튼 뭐 나쁜 걸 engross라고 해요. stem. 이 stem은 여러분이 많이 알죠. stemcell 그럴 때 이 stem의 뜻이 원래는 수거로서 많이 해서 stem from입니다. make sure from. stem은 나무에서 이렇게 줄기, 새 줄기 나오는 걸 stem이라고 그래요. 그래서 그걸 상상해 보면 어디서 발생한다, 커진다 그런 뜻이고, 또 하나의 뜻은 stop 한다는 뜻도 있어요. 두 가지 뜻이 있습니다. 이 stem이라는 뜻은 줄기라는 뜻인데, 그래서 발생하다 점점 커지다 그런 뜻이에요. stemcell 여기서 나온 겁니다. impel은 여러분이 아는 compel, propel 다 똑같은 말이에요. 이거 push 한다는 뜻. impel, compel, propel. impel은 안에서 이렇게 push 한다는 거예요. 그러니까 자극한다는 뜻. compel은 뭐 해야 된다 그런 뜻이에요. 오케이? 이렇게